we're here with Koushik, and he's going to tell us about Ashwood Apartments here in Richardson, in the Dallas area near UTD. Koushik, tell us about your apartment here.
Hey everyone, Ashwood, I love it so far. It's a really good apartment complex, and it's cheap. I'm sure you think about that.
This is a 2-bedroom apartment.
It's a 2-bedroom apartment and 2 bath, and it has a washer and dryer in it.
And what are the costs for different apartments here at Ashwood?
The cost for different apartments range from $600 to about $680
per person?
Per person.
Okay.
And trust me, that's the cheapest you're going to get.
Do you know what a 1-bedroom costs in Ashwood?
About $700.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. All right, Koushik, where is Ashwood located, and how is the bus like here?
Ashwood is located in a prime location, very convenient, very close to the university. The buses are like right in the front of the apartment, so no problem at all to get to the university. And lots of marketplaces and eating places nearby.
What are some of them that are close by?
There's a market right opposite Ashwood, and there's an Indian restaurant called Swadeshi right opposite for you Indians.
Great. All right, Koushik, what are some of the pros and cons, positives or negatives of Ashwood?
So the pros are that it's a great apartment for a decent price, for a low price relatively, and the washer and dryer is in the apartment, which is a big plus. You don't have to go out and pay coins and change for laundry. The disadvantage is when you move in, you might find a cockroach problem, but if you're a clean person, then that won't be a problem. They'll disappear after a while. You don't have to squash them.
Awesome. Any other things we need to know about Ashwood?
It's a great community, full of people that are willing to socialize and invite you to stuff like parties and stuff. So it's a great community. You love it here.
Great. Hey friends, thanks for joining us again at Chai and Coaching. Hope this will help you to be successful as an international student here in America. Please subscribe, like, follow, share, comment below or on our other platforms online, and continue the conversation, help each other out. So yeah, it was great having you join us at Chai and Coaching, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.